Good day, Kaplir Tekayo. So, I am Ian Benigam Nagura and I'm from DTF-1 and we will discuss about bulging and permeability. Bulging and permeability are crucial factors influencing a ship's stability, especially in scenarios involving hull damage. Here's an example our, of their effects. Bulging impact on the ship's stability. Bulging occurs when water enters a compartment of vessels due to damage below the waterline, leading the flooding leading the flooding this ingress of water result in so loss of buoyancy. The flooded compartment no longer contributes to the vessel's buoyancy, causing the ship to sink deeper into the water. Increased draft. Buoyancy decrease. The ship's draft increases to displace the same weight of water. Altered stability. The center of buoyancy shift, potentially reducing the metacentric height (GM), which is a measure of initial stability. A lower GM can make the vessel more prone to rolling, less stable. Trim and less changes. Ad, adship, Amidship bilging, primarily increased draft without significant trim change, and compartment bilging causes the vessels to trim by the bow and stern, depending on the location of the bilge compartment. Permeability role in stability. Permeability refers to the percentage of a compartment's volume that can be occupied by water when flooded. It varies based on the contents of the compartment. Empty compartments high permeability up to 95%, leading to significant buoyancy loss when flooded. Cargo-filled compartments lower permeability 60% for stores as cargo occupies space and reduce the volume available for water, thereby lessening buoyancy loss. The formula to calculate permeability equals to broken storage divided by the storage factor times 100%, where broken storage the volume of unused space in a cargo hold. Storage factor the volume occupied by unit weight of cargo. This calculation helps increasing how much water a compartment can take in influencing stability assessment.
And I'm Vincent M. Lagura, sir. Combined effect on stability. When a compartment is built, the shape compensate of lost buoyancy is increasing its draft. The extent of this increase depends on the permeability of the flooded compartment. For example, circa is answer. If a compartment with the permeability of 60% is bilge, only 60% of this volume contributes to buoyancy loss. This partial loss affects the ship's trim and stability different compared to a fully empty compartment. Understanding the interplay between bilging and permeability is crucial of naval architects and ship operation to ensure vessel safety and stability under damage conditions. Further reading. For a more details or for a more detailed exploration of bilging and permanently effect on ship stability, you may refer to the following resources: Bilging and permeability scribe, ship stability, damage stability of ship marine insight, permeability nautical Wikipedia, Bilging theory and numerical knowledge of sea ug lasa kay Chapter 22 Building and Permeability Research Gate. Ug mao to sir. Daghang salamat.